Today I'll be teaching you how to align or create pattern with a stripe material. So now you make sure you're facing the faces opposite each other, and then you cut a diagonal slant like this, just like the way you cut your neck or the neck flap on a senator material. Make sure it's a perfect diagonal. Then you align the lines like this. Make sure the lines match each other. Remember, it's an opposite material, so take your time to align it before you cut it out. That's the first and most important part of the activity. So right now I've come to the sewing machine. As you can see, I placed it opposite. That's good face facing the good face. And then right now, that same line that we arranged, we'll make sure it aligns perfectly here. Like you maintain the line. I don't know if you understand. If you look where, you see that the lines are blending. That is, they are going to one direction. So that's just basically how you align them. The line must blend to one direction, and then you start your sewing. So you have to be very, very careful. As you're sewing them, you have to make sure the line is maintained. Try as much as possible to pay close attention. If you have to drag anyone or to congest any piece, you do that. But make sure they are all straight while you're sewing them. So guys, this is basically how to draft or create a pattern alignment, or what do we call it? I don't know, but you understand what I mean. How to align your lines on a stripe material. So after this, we go ahead to iron it out, and then use the material for anything you want to use it for. Either your flaps or your pockets. This same design will go for all of them. Just that when you are making a flap, of course the design has to be bigger, but it's still the same procedures you follow to get your pattern perfectly well. So right now I'll be dressing the pockets of this shape using the design I've made with the stripe material. So guys, whatever shape of pocket you want to make, or whatever design you want to make, is still the same thing. Just get a thick color gum and then carve out the particular design you want, or the particular shape you want, and then you place it based on the design you have. So I've arranged it the right way, and then stick it to the material. It's a very simple thing, guys. How to create pocket designs using stripe is not really hard. The main thing is getting the alignment, just like you saw the first alignment I did. The alignment stage is the most important stage. Once you've gotten it, the pocket is will be a walkthrough for you. Yeah. So now I dress it round to get the shape of the gum. If you need to use your hemming gum to hold it, don't hesitate to do that. At this stage, I just want to get the line so I can go and sew it and turn it up. Yeah. So I'll be taking it to the sewing machine to go and sew it, and then we'll see the final result. So now I'm just going to sew just the up part. Just the top part will be sewn, no other parts. The remaining places will be folded with iron. So guys, like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to get it. Have a nice day. Bye.